aning na pagkakong diya sa sa pinaliw. Nanula ko puso katong iyantre nga pasiran ang pinaliw. E kung sira mo ka to, tingali, wala yung mahimong si Krasya. So gusto na kong clarify from tawag mayor kung sa kumita po.
Yeah, thank you for that. That was before the election. And during the time that I was the mayor already, I already told them that we need to close you if you are not going to do something. During the time, the reports that get to me is actually the smell. It's not the pile of garbage. So, well, of course, you're going to investigate that. In fact, if I will investigate that nila. But look, I mean, you need also to find ways na imong cease and desist, I think it's a collaborative effort between the DNR. And aside from that, kung ako may decide, karoon na yun, at kung magsulat ko pagka ngayon, akong dismiss, asan na po ipunta ng garbage? Right? There's no place for us to put the garbage right away. Diba? And, well, again, as what I've told you, I am about 200 days mayor, and if you're going to put the blame on me, that's fine. That's my responsibility. But then, no, we should have done something about it in 2024. Now, mandate na to, mo, nasagsan ang satanic. But, imong i-close ang landfill during the time, kasunod na bupeo, wala na ang bag sa Manila na. Because I understand that there's no place for us to put the garbage. Kaya, ang dili talaga ni, kung hindi yung ma-close, kung ako, kaya kita mo dahil sa tanang garbage na 600 tons, it's going to happen. So, I think you should also understand that when you're going to do something, you need also to have a balancing act. Although I respect that idea, I could have closed that. But I cannot close that, considering that we have this concept. Kasi mga garbage na doon, yung practice. So, ginagamitan ko siya. Ang umano ng mga countries, kapag mga 30 years, isa to say karon, of course ka, dahil hindi mo na namatay. Now, I don't like to, dwell on this right now, because premature kung parang ako, kayo mapunod tayo resulta, hindi mo na kasalaan ka, kaya wala mo be-close. I mean, that's your opinion. But for me, during the time, the proper time, but we atutin na space, ang sila, because again, there's no place for us to do that.
Yes, meron. Parang na ni Mr. Chair, hindi ko gusto yung debate sa mayor. Pero kung di mo tanawag, na nasira na doon, nag-landslide lang, ano nakita mo na, okay ka na din. Ano nakita mo na sa ano ako nasira nito. Ang ano ng point natin mayor, kung gikurso ko natin ng city ko, dahil kung akin, na before we begin in the city hall, eh, gusto nila na, sa mga temporarily, among pasira ng tinaliw, among ihatag sa na inyong basura, among basura din na. Before, implementing the city hall, but my point there is, kung nilulikat ang city hall, hindi na may tapo. Pero kung ingon ka, gawat kay kalabayan, nanakaroon doon ang kay kalabayan sa sira na lang natin. So, wala ko kung nagsibatin ni Mayor na, pero ako ang expression, kaya ako nakita din, since pagsugod ani, parang bigay ko, strong opposition ko, kailangan ko kasunod. Ang bawat sa binari, pasuot, busakan sa sunod, muna sa pagsugod pa na din, isupak na pa ni, pagkaroon, labaw pa magdangan mamatay na amor sa mga silingan. So, kung naningon ko, kung nakita ko po tani, na ikurso ang sityo, pakasyon niya sa opisina. Kinalit kaya ang discretion. Pero kung yun na wala pa ma-upili siya kahit mo, I don't know, iyan na nang ako na rin manifestation.
Mr. Chair, when did the mayor go answer?
And that's his point. So, I cannot just answer because he continues to know what is good for him. So, I'm sorry, I cannot answer that.
Yeah.
Mr. Chair,
Moving forward, I'd like to commend with all the initiatives, little things just to raise the awareness, and then Mayor